Hello, welcome to this presentation on Empowering Tomorrow with Intelligent Information Management. Intelligent Information Management, I²M, is the strategic approach to managing, organizing, and leveraging information using modern technologies like AI, automation, and analytics. The key elements are information governance, which is a comprehensive framework that encompasses the policies and processes regarding an organization's use of information throughout its life cycle. It treats information as a valuable business asset, balancing its potential risks with its value to the organization. Data classification and tagging helps an organization to categorize its data based on sensitivity, type, and other characteristics. The third key element, intelligent search and retrieval, uses AI technology to understand user intent, providing results beyond simple keyword matches. Workflow automation and secure access and compliance are the other key elements, which help to automate business processes and also ensure that data is stored securely and it is compliant with various data compliance standards and rules. The intelligent information management is about making the right information available to the relevant people at the right time. And all these securely and efficiently. Organizations struggle with information due to many reasons. Majority of the data is in unstructured form, such as in emails, documents, voices, and images. Extracting information from such data is difficult. Also, information within organizations is siloed, hence not easily shareable. This results in a very high search time for information. These increase the risk of compliance due to poor information governance. Thus, we see that the traditional information management is not suitable in today's fast-paced, digital world. Intelligent information management overcomes these challenges through a 5-step process, which include discover, connect, automate, secure, and decide. It helps to bridge the gap between data overload and data intelligence. Some typical use cases of intelligent information management include automated contract management, AI-powered document search and retrieval, automatic archival and classification of data, and 360-degree customer view where all relevant information of a customer are available on a single dashboard. We know that data has been touted as the new oil, driving a data-centric economy. However, just like oil, data is useful when it is refined intelligently. Intelligent information management helps organizations to not only manage data, but also to activate it intelligently. This turns raw data into intelligent information. So, why wait? Embark on your journey towards intelligent information management now. Visit www.myltext.com or send your inquiry or requirement to support@myltext.com for our programs and services in this domain. Thank you.